This is Karen. Karen works 40 hours a week. Is a full-time mom. And has no time to go to the dry cleaners.
I've got to find a solution.
GM Dry Cleaners, free dry cleaning pickup and delivery. We will pick up and deliver your garments for free while you relax. We are in the area 2 times a week. We will pick up your garments whether it's 1 item or 10 items. We provide the clothing bag and hook for your door. We'll place your cleaned garments in a spot of your choosing. We keep all of your cleaning preferences and payment choices on file. When you sign up, you receive the owner's direct phone number. Call us today to get started.
Yes, Rem, sign me up.
A couple hours after Karen calls, we arrive with a garment bag. Then, we leave with Karen's filled bag. And just a couple of days later, we return to drop off Karen's professionally cleaned garments. Thanks to GM Dry Cleaners, Karen now has more time for the important things in life. Call 248-682-1522 to sign up for free pickup and delivery today.